Good day, friends. Today's class will be talking about balancing of chemical equation. We've started the class in my last video. Today, we want to examine this question on stoichiometry, JAM 1984, question 4. It says, manganese 4 oxide react with concentrated hydrochloric acid according to the equation. This is the equation: manganese 4 oxide plus S moles of hydrochloric acid gives manganese 2 chloride plus chlorine plus y moles of water. So S and Y are respectively. So these are the options. The question asks us to find the unknown values of X and Y. So let's solve it then. We have manganese, that's 1 mole, 1 mole. Oxygen is 2 atoms here. Oxygen is 1 here. What we do tentatively is that we put 2 here. So when we put 2 here, we have 2 moles of oxygen. But once you see here that 2 atoms and 2 moles, that's 2 times 2 give us 4 moles of hydrogen. That's hydrogen is 4. Hydrogen here is only X. So we put 4 here, tentatively. So let's look at the equation again. Manganese, oxygen is 2, oxygen is 2. 4 moles of hydrogen. Hydrogen is 2 times 2 here, 4. Chlorine is 4 moles of chlorine. Chlorine is 2 and 2 here. And that is balance. So let's say it now. Manganese, oxygen 2. Oxygen is 2. 4 hydrogen. Chlorine is 4. Chlorine is 4. So the respective values of S and Y are 4 and 2. So this is how to balance and solve this JAM past question. See you in my next video. Bye.